wanted to do that. One day I'll be rich and I'll be on crayons. That was very funny. Okay, anyway. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a DIY sugar wax. Ever since this pandemonium started, I was not able to go get my waxes done, so I was in quarantine and I decided I could just make my own wax. So everyone's basically asking me how to make this. I'm not a pro, but I figured it out. Well, not completely, because sometimes, whatever, you'll see. But I figured it out. I've been doing my waxes ever since the pandemonium started on my own, and I don't think I'm going back. So I'll show you the ingredients. You don't need too many. You just need some, what is this, lemon juice. And if you don't have lemon juice, you don't have to use it. You can use apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, lime juice. I think you can use orange juice too, I'm not sure, but basically you just need to have a juice or whatever that's a little acidic. So 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/2 cup of white sugar, and you probably can't see, but 1/4 cup of warm water, and just a whisk and a bottle, and a measuring cup if you want to be precise with your measurements, but that's all you really need to get it done. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to add all of the ingredients to my pot. Sugar, the warm water, and the lemon juice. And usually I keep some extra sugar on the side because sometimes I find 1/2 cup is not enough, but we'll see how it goes. Usually it's the temperature and the amount of heat. Well, I guess that's the same thing. But it depends on how strong your stove is or how high you put it, and the temperature of the solution. That changes how thick it gets or how loose it is. So depending on how that goes, I add a little bit more sugar. But yeah, let's get to it. Don't embarrass me. I just lit up the stove and I'm whisking the mix, and you want to keep whisking it so that there's movement in there. Once it starts to bubble, I will lower the fire, but for now I just need it to boil a little bit. I almost forgot to say you can use brown sugar too. You could use any kind that you like, but I prefer to use white sugar because I usually look for a golden brown color. But if not, you can use brown sugar. If you have a thermometer to check the temperature, then you can go that route too. But I just find it's easier with white sugar because I can see when it's starting to turn to like a caramel. So we're starting to bubble. Bubble. Hey. I'm trying to be more careful now because I just realized I put the small pot on the largest burner, so even with the lowest fire, it's still like kind of high. So actually I might move it, but I wanted to show you guys that I have these cloth strips and applicators, or popsicle sticks, whatever, and and you don't need this, but I prefer to do my sugaring with the sticks, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can knead the wax and just apply it directly to your skin with your fingers and remove it that way. But I have these. I'll link some below for where you can find them online. Now you can see that the sugar is starting to get golden. So as soon as you see a golden brown color, you should turn off the heat and let it cool, and then you can decide from there if it is the consistency that you need. So now I'm letting the foam simmer down a bit. You want to pour your sugar wax into a glass container or a microwave safe container. So I let it cool, and it is about the consistency that I like. And I guess I'll probably find a part of my body to do a demo for you. Should I do that?
Here.
Ah! The disrespect. Do I have hair? Oh my god, I do. So rude. Move!
Do like on Maury when you run away and the cameraman chasing you.
Anyway, so this would be enough to do my Brazilian wax, but you can double or triple the recipe so that you can make enough to last you, because you can store it, cover it up, and put it in the fridge to keep it cool. And when you need to use it, you can just either put it on over boiling water or in a microwave, and voila, you have your own sugar wax recipe to do your own wax. You don't have to spend tons of dollars, how much money to get a wax done. I personally haven't gone to my wax lady in a long time, God bless her soul, but I figured it out for myself. So this is it. That's it. So I was gonna use the hair on my legs as my demo, but my hair on my legs is not long enough. My armpit hairs, however, are long enough, so I'm going to embarrass myself just for the sake of showing you guys that this works. And I have this baby powder because you do need your skin to be really clean, no oils, no lotions, nothing on there, and keeping it dry. If you sweat a little bit, then you should use some oil, some powder to keep it dry. So I'm gonna go change my top so that we could do my armpits on camera. So embarrassing! Just took a shower, so it's clean. I don't have any deodorant on yet, and I'm just gonna put powder because I feel like I will sweat, and yeah. And I haven't actually waxed under my arms myself before yet, so I'm like test monkeying myself for y'all. So yeah. You want to apply the wax against the direction of the hair. My armpits, the hair is going in so many different directions, so I'm just going to apply it upwards so that I could remove it downwards. I wonder if that, should I have done this arm because I'm right-handed?
You started already, you can't stop. Let's go.
My left hand is not, okay.
It's gonna be fun.
Alright. I have the cloth strips. I'm so nervous. Guys, yo, my left hand feels so dumb right now. You want to apply it evenly across. Okay. It's hot. Okay. Your armpits are more sensitive, but this is a failure.
You're making a mess.
Oh my god, should I just put the thing on? I'm sorry, I promise it doesn't go like this. You're kind of stupid. I can't use my left hand. Why did I do that?
It's so fun.
Oh my god. Okay, I just hope that I didn't get all of the hair. Charlie, why are you doing this? For YouTube, is it work? Oh my god. I'm really nervous for myself because your armpits are really sensitive and the hair is a lot coarser in your armpits, so this might be more painful than my bikini wax. And pause. I'm gonna say a prayer first. No, seriously, pause. Okay, so if you want to bail, since it's sugar wax, you don't actually have to do what I'm doing to myself right now. You could always just put some warm water and it'll dissolve since it's just sugar. But I will take it out for y'all. So you want to hold your skin taut, but since it's my arm, I can't really, you know, but 1, 2, 3. Wow, okay. I didn't get all the hairs, but I for sure, you can see that? Ew. But I didn't apply it the best way that I could have because you saw what happened, But it definitely got those hairs, the bulb, you see the bulbs? Like in, all the way from the root, baby. So, that's it, period. Easy, just 3 ingredients and you got yourself sugar wax. I will do my Brazilian wax. That will not be on camera, but get a little snippet. And thank you for watching. Come again. I hope every single one of you who bullied me into making this video watches this and comments down below you like this video, you share it with your friends, and that you're subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye.